Hello guys, in last video we are studied about content based filtering, and today our topic is build a recommendation engine with a collaborative filtering. So before coding, we firstly we figure out exactly what is the meaning of collaborative filtering, and this is a actually technique that can filter out items that a user might like on the basis of reaction by similar users, and this is searching a large group of people and finding a similar set of users with a taste similar to particular users, and it also combine them to create ranked list of suggestions. So there are many ways to decide which user and similar and combine their choices to create a list of recommendations. And this is our data set. Here you can guys see this is our data set. The first one is our ratings. In this data set we are show the users rating to particular items with particular item ID, and this is our item CSV here. This is, and in this CSV product ID, product name, and category IDs. These are the IDs of product related, and it is actually set of items and set of users who have reacted to similar type of items, and this reaction can be explicit or which show the likes or dislikes, and by implicit we viewing an item adding to the wish list, and the time spent on article. So actually in this we also consider metrics that also provide a reactions given by a set of user to some items for some items, and each row would contain the rating given by a user, and each column here. So here we also create a matrix, and that contains are the relationship between similar users by similar items, and this called a sparse matrix that actually mostly empty cells, that is called a sparse, and the opposite to that is called a dense. And so our next point is which steps are involved in collaborating filtering. So to build a system that can automatically recommend item to user based on the preference of other user, and the first step is to find similar user or items, and the second step is to predict the rating of the items that are not yet rated by our users. So you will need to the find out the next user interest, and on this in this approach we use root mean square error, that is called a RMSE, that we use to predict the rating for the dataset of user item pair whose rating values are already known, and the difference between the known value and the predict value would be the error. So square of our error values for the test set, finding the average, and then take the square root of the average, that is called RMSE. And this is our code. So firstly we pre-process our data set to find out that these things, that is a minimum rating, maximum, to find out the minimum rating, maximum rating, so that we can study actual our data set to before apply any model, and before any use any model and any engine. So firstly, we actually knows about the data set. So here we pre-process a data set. We uh, figure out a data set exactly what kind of rows and what kind of data we have. Okay, so and after this portion, then we split our data set into that is the trained part and the test part. And here we see the actually shape of trained data set and test data set. And then after that we use a ranking. We find out the rank, exactly the rank that is given by a user. And this is a method of recommend, which is in this we use a popularity recommendations. And here we can list the to actually find out the columns which are to more relate to each other. And here we in this part we calculate equivalent distance between a user to find out how user A to relate to user B. And this is our result. You can see this user ID has similar type of user which also purchase that products as it is user B, that also show the interest of product with the score value with the rank. So guys, in this video we find out that we learn about the actual how to we use recommendation engine with collaborative filtering. And thank you guys for watching this video.